Hi there, today I will be explaining about how to set up an eBay account. Setting up an eBay seller account is a simple task. What you have to do? Simply open your browser which you prefer to use in your computer, and in the Google search bar simply search for eBay seller account. Once you will search for it, you will see different website provided by the eBay. But on the top you can see Start Selling on eBay. Click on this to get access of selling account. Now you can see Start Selling on eBay. Here you will see some written article by the eBay. Now in order to create an account, click on the option Sign Up an eBay Account. And here it redirected to that page where I can create my new account. I can create my personal, or if I want to create my business, then here I can create my business account. It's up to you which account you want to create, but business account has some more benefits. If you have a large number of product, then I will recommend you to use business icon, but for now I don't have, so therefore I will select this. Now here you can enter your first name, last name, email address, and password, and also you can continue with your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. I will use Google, so that's why I will click on it. My account is already signed in and all my data is saved, so that's why here is my account. Let me click on it. The last thing is continue. But if your account info is not saved, then it will ask you to sign in your account. But no need to worry and sign in with your account here. It's saying first name, last name. Let me set it. Now click on the option Create Account here. It's asking to enter your phone number. Click on it and select the country. Where are you from? Here is my country, and here I need to enter my phone number. So let me write, after entering, hit continue, and it will send a verification code on my number. So let me write, after entering the code, you will be redirected to the homepage of eBay. And it was the way by which you can create your eBay seller account easily.